Hi students, how are you today? So today we want to make a revision to the Unit 9. So our lesson goals for today are 1. Revision Unit 9 as words, grammar, song as they are come in the exam. So please pay attention with me. Let's start with the words. So open your class book page 64 and pay attention with me. So at first look at this picture. What is this? What is this? So it's a hospital. It's a hospital. Repeat after me. It's a hospital. That's mean مستشفى. Hospital mean مستشفى. Look here at picture number 2. What's this? What can you see in this picture? This is a school. This is a school. School in Arabic mean مدرسة. School in Arabic mean مدرسة. So this is a school. Okay, here, what is it? When we want to go to travel, where are we go? لما بدنا نسافر وين ايش نستخدم? So this is airport. Airport in Arabic mean مطار. Airport in Arabic mean مطار. So please repeat after me. Airport. That's mean in Arabic مطار. Okay, here. What is this? What can you see in this picture? There are 3 persons. They are wearing a uniform. لابسين زي رسمي that depend to the place that we are in. لابسين زي رسمي تابع للمكان اللي هم موجودين فيه. So this is a police station. This is a police station. Police station in Arabic mean مركز شرطة. So they are wearing a uniform. بيلبسوا الزي الرسمي أي بمركز الشرطة. So please repeat after me. This is a police station. Police station, that's mean مركز الشرطة. Okay, here. Also look at this picture. There is a man. He is wearing also a uniform that depends to the place that he was in it. لابس لبس بيعتمد على المكان اللي موجود فيه. So this is a fire station. Fire station محطة إطفاء. So لما يكون في حريق we call the fire station. نتصل بمحطة الإطفاء مشان يطفوا هاي النار. So please repeat after me. This is a fire station. Fire station in Arabic mean what? محطة إطفاء. Okay, this. What's this? It's a shop. It's a shop. مركز تسوق. Shop. مركز تسوق. Okay, look here at this picture. What can you see at the first? We have a train. We have a train. When we say airport مطار contain a lot of planes بيحتوي على طائرات. Here عنا بس trains. في عنا قطار. ما بيكون عنا فيه طيارات. فالمكان اللي بيكون فيه قطار بنسميه station. المكان اللي بيكون فيه القطار بنسميه station. Station. Repeat after me. Station. محطة قطار. Contain only trains. Only trains. When we say airport contain a lot of planes بيحتوي على العديد من الطيارات ما بيكون فيه trains. أما الستيشن محطة قطار contain only trains. Okay, look at this picture. Contain a lot of animals. Contain a lot of animals. That mean zoo. That's mean zoo. Okay. Here, this is somewhere. Contain a lot of things. Contain a lot of things. That means supermarket. That means supermarket. هلا هو بيختلف عن الشوب. هلا الشوب فيه بيبيع clothes. بتبيع a lot of things. بس supermarket بتبيع مواد غذائية. بتبيع مواد غذائية. Supermarket بتفرق عن الشوب. الشوب contain clothes, makeup, a lot of things. But supermarket تحتوي بس على مواد غذائية. Okay, here. What is this? This is the place that contain a lot of money. Save the money of the people. So this is a bank. Bank in Arabic mean bank. البنك هو المكان اللي بيحفظ نقود الناس. So this is a bank. Okay, here. It's a garage. it's a garage. garage مين هو مكان بيصلح السيارات. لما السيارة بتخرب بنوديه للجراج. garage مين مكان لتصليح السيارات. So this is a quick revision to the vocabulary that mentioned in unit number 9. Now let's read the story. The title is Where Does She Work? The title is Where Does She Work? Let's listen to me. My dad's a policeman. Where does he work? He works in a police station. Does your grandma work? No, she doesn't. Does your mom work? Yes, she does. She works in a shop. There are lots of cake here. There are lots of cakes here, Tim. Yes, I know my mom works in a cake shop. Have a cake, boys. Oh, thank you. Fantastic. So this is the story that mentioned in unit number 9. The title here, Where Does She Work? After that, let's move to the grammar. Let's move to the grammar on page 65. Here the grammar contains talking about does. We use does as a question word. Only we use does with a question word when we want to ask yes or no questions. هلا بنستخدم كلمة does لما بدنا نسأل سؤال بتكون إجابته يا yes يا no. We use does and is with a third personal or third person singular pronoun he, she, it. When we ask does he, does she, does the animal, so we use it in a third singular pronouns and with a singular noun forms. So does كلمة بنستخدمها لما بدنا نسأل عن سؤال إجابته تكون يا yes or no questions with a third singular pronouns he, she, and it. Okay, here look at these examples. Number 1, does he like Indian food? Okay, does تيجي مع الهي والشي والإت, so come with a singular. But they, we, you, I come with do. Here in this unit we want to talk about does that come with a he and she and it. Okay, look here. Does he like Indian food? هون السؤال إجابته بتكون يا yes يا no. So we use does when we want to ask questions yes or no. Number 2, does she live near to you? Number 3, does it rain much in winter? So does come with he, she, and it. Come with he with a singular noun مع الأسماء المفردة. بقدر أنا أستبدل الهي باسم عمر. Does عمر like Indian food? في أستبدل الشي باسم وعد. Does وعد live near to you? Does it rain much at winter? So does come with a he, she, it, and the singular noun. Using does with a WH questions. Also نقدر نستخدم كلمة does مع الأسئلة بتبلش بال WH. We use does with a 7 question words. Question words are what, where, when, why, which, and how. So بنستخدم also does with these questions. Here we doesn't want to take it. Okay, example. Where does he work? أين هو يشتغل؟ لما أشوف أنا عندي كلمة he أنا بعرف إنه الهي بتيجي مع ال does ما بتيجي مع ال do. So the best answer is does. Where does he work? Okay. When I want to answer these questions, I first look at the picture. The picture means that he works in a police station. So I see here a police station. What I can do? بمسك النون بمسك السبجكت الفاعل بحطه في أول الجملة he. Okay, I know that he, she, and it plus the singular noun come with a verb s. تيجي معهم الverb بكون contain s. So he works and أجاوب هو سألني هو وين بيشتغل فالجواب he works هو بيشتغل in a police station. Look here at the second example. Does he work in a police station? Here the question want yes or no answers. So look at the answer. Does he work in a police station? إذا بدنا لو يكون في موجود صورة بنطلع بيكون الجواب yeah yes he does or no he doesn't. That depend to the subject. If here we have does she work بيكون yeah yes she does or no she doesn't. So the question number one, where does he work. هنا ما بده إجابة yes or no، بده إجابة مكان. so بمسك السبجكت شو مكانه هو، بحطه في أول الجملة، بنزل الفيرب مع s. he works in a police station. أما لما تكون does في بداية السؤال here he want to yes or no answers. Okay, here there are some examples. We want to write yes she does, no she doesn't, yes he does, no he doesn't. Okay, look at question number one. Does she work in a hospital? Look at this. There's a girl. Does she work in a hospital? Here does أجت بأول الجملة at the beginning of the sentence, so they are need to yes or no answers. So does she work in a hospital? Okay, yes. So yes, where's the subject? The subject is she. So the answer is yes, she does. في حالة النفي in a negative form we use doesn't. Does plus not. This is in the negative form. Here, yes, she does. Look here at question number two. Does she work in a police station? Here also we need a yes or no answers. Here look at the picture. It's what? It's a teacher. The teacher work in a police station. So we use here the negative form of does. So no. Okay. Where's the subject? The subject is she. هي الشخص اللي قامت بالفعل. So no, she doesn't. We use not. This is a negative form of does. No, she doesn't. She doesn't work in a police station. She works in a school. Okay, look at number three. Does he work in a police station? Look at this man. Does he work in a police station? And does here come at the beginning of the question? That means the answer depends yes or no. So yes. Okay, where's the subject? The subject is he. So I put it here. Yes, he does. Yes, he does. Okay, number four. Does he work in a fire station? Look at this man. Does he work in a fire station? Yes or no? So the answer is yes. Look at the subject. The subject here, he or she or it. The subject is he. So I put it. Yes, he does. Yes, he does. Okay. We have a quick revision to the vocabulary and the grammar that contain does. Does are used at the beginning of the questions that I need yes or no question. Yes, he is. Yes, he does. I'm sorry. No, he doesn't. That depends to the subject that you have. Thank you a lot. See you guys.